If you truly want to secure more marks, then you must learn how to study effectively, not just how long to study. Many students sit with books for hours and still score average marks because they confuse study time with study quality. The real difference between an average student and a high scorer is not always effort, it is often method. When your study method is right, your memory improves, your revision becomes faster, and your writing in the exam becomes stronger. The first powerful technique is the active recall method. This is one of the best methods for long-term memory. Instead of reading the same chapter again and again, read one topic carefully, close the book, and then try to recall what you just learned. Ask yourself, what were the main points? What was the definition? What are the steps? Can I explain this in simple words? If you can recall without looking, your brain becomes stronger. If you cannot recall, that shows exactly what you need to revise. This method trains your brain for the real exam, because in the exam hall, no book will be open in front of you. The second powerful technique is spaced repetition. Students often make one big mistake. They study a chapter once and then forget it until the exam comes near. This is why memory becomes weak. Instead, revise the same topic in small intervals. For example, first revision, same day, second revision, next day, third revision, after 3 days, fourth revision, after 7 days, fifth revision, after 15 days. This pattern helps your brain move information from short-term memory to long-term memory. If you revise this way, you will not feel panic before exams because your memory will already be built. The third technique is the 45-10 rule. Study for 45 minutes with full concentration. Then take a 10-minute break. During the 45 minutes, do only one task. No phone, no chatting, no switching subjects, no random browsing. In the 10-minute break, walk, drink water, stretch, or relax your eyes. This keeps your brain fresh and prevents mental fatigue. Long study sessions without breaks often reduce efficiency. Smart students do not only work hard, they protect their energy. The fourth technique is write while learning. Many students only read and think that reading is enough. But writing helps memory much more deeply. When you write definitions, formulas, diagrams, key points, and sample answers, your brain processes the information in a stronger way. If you are preparing for theory subjects, practice writing 3-mark, 5-mark, and long answers. If you are preparing for maths or accounts, solve problems by hand, not only in your head. Writing is one of the biggest secrets behind high scores. The fifth technique is teach to learn. After finishing a topic, try teaching it aloud as if you are explaining it to a friend or to a class. You can even teach an imaginary student. When you teach, you quickly notice where your understanding is weak. If you can explain a topic simply, clearly, and without confusion, that means you truly know it. This method is powerful because it turns passive knowledge into active mastery. The sixth technique is use short notes and micronotes. Long notes are useful, but before exams, they can feel heavy. So after studying a chapter, create one-page summary notes, formula sheets, definition lists, important dates events lists, diagram labels, common mistakes list. These micronotes save huge time during revision. One chapter that normally takes 1 hour to revise can be revised in 10 minutes if your short notes are ready. Another great technique is practice with previous year questions. This is a game changer. Previous papers show you important topics, repeated question patterns, marking style, answer depth required, time pressure level. Students who ignore previous year papers often study too wide and too randomly. Students who solve them understand what the exam actually demands. Also, learn the difference between understanding and memorizing.